Okay, it says I'm live. Okay, well, here we go. Thank you for joining me. So let's get started. First, we're going to talk about Winter Storm Fern, which is going to be impacting basically the eastern two-thirds of the country. It's impacting like over half the country. I mean, here's that upper level low. This is how Winter Storm Fern is formed. Here's the upper level low, and there's that piece right here. And here it goes. Bringing heavy snow and maybe some sleet to New York City. And you saw the thumbnail I used that's showing the snowfall amount for New York City. But right on the heels of Winter Storm Fern, and here's the funny thing: this piece of energy, this is the piece of energy actually that's right here that's going to bring a second storm. You know, normally everything just goes this way, but because the PNA is positive, the AO is negative, the GFS is showing this piece right here breaking off and then moving back west. And then look what happens right around here. I have not looked this far out yet, but I was saying that there's going to be a storm here, and I said it was going to ride up the East Coast, and it could be an inland runner based on the setup it's showing me now. And yep, there it goes. There's that storm. Yep, right along the coast, and then it shoves it right into New York City. That's what I was saying. I was saying it was going to be an inland runner. It's going to be like right along the coast. Here's Winter Storm Fern. It's out by Monday morning, so 15Z. That is 15Z. That is about um, that's about 10 a.m. So this is 7. This is 10 a.m. and this is about 1 p.m. So here's that storm. And I said it was going to ride up the East Coast, and what does it do? It rides up the East Coast. It does exactly what I thought it was going to do. And what is it doing? What is the weather in New York City going to be from this storm? It's going to be rain. It's going to be snow and rain. It's going to be a mix because you're kind of having a negative NAO. This is going to be all snow. If this is what happens, this is going to be all snow. And it has cold air. And then look what happens. You see that little warm tongue that comes in? Yeah, this is going to be snow changing to rain and then maybe ending with a little bit of snow. And then, um, yeah, it's going to be mix. Even though the GFS is forecasting some sleet in New York City, I looked at the temperature profiles. If this is correct, this will be all snow. And then here comes Winter Storm. I don't know what that name is going to be, but it's going to be. Yeah, it looks like if that happens, it'll mix. But the 12Z GFS was even more interesting. It was probably it was the same setup, but it was showing the same storm, but all snow. Yeah, if this happens, this is going to be a doozy. Yeah. And yesterday's run was just epic. Like yesterday's run of the GFS was just crazy. Almost 3 feet of snow for New York City. This just the storm. So having some areas getting over 3 feet. 3Z Sunday. Let's see. The same system. The GFS is still showing it. So now let's look at the wrap at the Canadian. Yeah. So, all right, that's not good. All right. So let's look at the Canadian. Hour 48 already shows some snow in Pennsylvania. This is basically showing snow that's reaching ground. This is not too accurate. I don't think it's gonna be. There's gonna be any dry slots in this. Alrighty, so let's go to hour 54 or 60. Yeah. So yeah, it's showing some. Mm. All right, here we go. Showing light snow. Alrighty, I just want to make sure, okay, good bit frame there. Okay, so there we go. You've got already snow coming in. This is 11 p.m. Saturday, so already some snow, very light snow in DC. Yeah, it's kind of having some issues with that. Yeah, basically already some